A learning platform for blended learning. It should not be assumed that the terminology of e-learning eliminates any notion of physical. On-site training offers the opportunity to put processes and operations into practice. It is also an opportunity to work on motivation. What is blended learning? Blended e-learning is a combination of on-site and computer-based learning. It combines the best aspects of traditional classroom teaching with the latest in technology-based instruction. The learner is a social being, and the organization of physical sessions is often necessary. Blended learning combines the best aspects of in-person and online training to create an immersive learning experience. The Learning Lab LMS is one of the most innovative and creative e-learning platforms for corporate training. It's an easy-to-use, fully customizable, beautifully designed, and powerful e-learning platform with a wide range of video-first features such as video assessments, interactive video, and video quiz. It also allows hybrid learning, so learners can experience on-site and online training. Here are some tips for creating an effective blended training program. Start with a clear goal in mind. Utilize different types of instruction. Leverage technology. Incorporate assessments. Provide feedback. Monitor progress. Adopt video-based learning and social learning. Create scenario-based content. Design premium content. The Learning Lab LMS is the ultimate e-learning platform for creative people.
Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe.